everybody, Happy New Year. Today's January 1st, 2022. It's finally here. Can you feel that? This year is going to be so fabulous, and I wish everyone Happy New Year and you can have an amazing year ahead of you. Today is Saturday and we'll be focusing on style and DIY, and let's get today's video started. Okay, style and DIY. I feel like this is the first, well, you probably already saw my video I dropped early today for the Disneyland New Year's Eve firework. That's a special video. This is the official video for January 1st. And since we're going to do style or DIY, I want to do something that I really recently totally loving it, and that is to create your Mickey Mouse ear to make it bling bling bling. Let me tell you this is so fun. So I want to show you another one I want to do, so let's just go ahead get started. To me, you can buy any type the Mickey Mouse ear from Ipsy for cheaper price, but I have so many ear from Disneyland, so I'm going to use the Disneyland ear to decorate. And I'm going to use this black one. One thing I want to tell you that whenever you want to put the rhinestone on here, you need to make sure that the ears are sturdy, because when you put rhinestone, it can be very heavy and you can sink a little bit. So you gotta be careful on that one. And you need rhinestone, and I'll put the link below. I purchased this from Amazon. They're about $10 each. They're over 150 stone in here, roughly 180 in different sizes. So I bought 2 pairs because I learned from my last year, this one, all this stone rhinestone right here, it's about 150 pieces, believe it or not. I don't know why it's 150 pieces, but anyway. So if you want to do both sides, you'll need about 300 to make it really pop. So you need to be enough of that. And then you need glue gun. Forget about glue. That'll take forever. Glue gun is faster. And by the way, you guys should know about me. I am pretty sure you all, just like me, we are very busy. I mean, when we do DIY, we want fast, and quick. So glue gun is much more faster. What I like to do is I kind of just cut, well, you will have to cut open all the stone right here and then kind of lay out on the table. Let me kind of turn the camera a little bit down so you can see what I'm doing. So hopefully, so I basically just put all the stone down. Then we'll want to quickly organize by different sizes, different style. And honestly, I don't think that really matters. So, wow, these are beautiful. Very large. Oh my god. So, a lot of you have noticed I'm putting some nail on my finger. I just thought it's fun, you know. So, yeah. Hey, we'll only live once, you know. If you want to do something fun, just do it. You know, don't care about what people tell you what to do, what not to do. So, okay, so I kind of separate this a little bit, and the large rhinestone is about 10 pieces, and then I have this small rhinestone right here. I don't know how many is in here. Yeah, 10. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to glue the outside all around it with this first. Okay, let's give it a try now. I'll do just a little bit at a time, because if you put too much, it will dry too fast. That's a problem. And like that, you see that? So I'm going to stop the camera. I'm going to finish this all around both sides first. This takes about 20 minutes. Okay, now we're going to fill in the middle with a big rhinestones. Okay, let's get started. So if you look right now, the little tiny stone right here, I really don't have much left. Oh my gosh. I was hoping I can do both sides, but based on this right now, I think I can only do front. I'm going to leave the one black. I don't think I have enough. Okay, so this one I'm going to use my finger. It's just easier to grab. So I'm going to just randomly put stuff in here. Put it right over here. I'm trying to match both the same. So it looks slightly organized a little bit. Okay, then what I learned from before is I'm gonna try to put, I think I can put a lot of large stone around it. Yeah, I'm gonna just put stone around it, make it big. Yeah, I'm gonna try to do that. Yeah, I can see I need more. But I may have enough for the whole area though. So I believe that style is not built on just buying a designer brand, you know. It can be little thing like this. You make your own and create your own style. I think that's more important. Just say, oh, I bought the Vera Wang Mickey Mouse earring, cost me $1,000. I mean, yeah, if you have money, sure. But majority of the people like me and you, we don't have that kind of money to spend $1,000 for a year. But we can make our own. So that's what I'm doing right now. So I just want to let you guys know, you know, don't let people tell you that to have a style gonna cost a lot of money. It doesn't. And today, if you really need to save more money, then don't buy Mickey Mouse ear from the Disneyland. Buy it from Etsy. And if you can't really do that, make your own. There's a lot of tutorial how to make your own ear. Nothing wrong with that. And let me tell you this, I noticed that when I wear ear like this, that I kind of create like this one, I get so much more attention. People say, oh my god, that looks so good, where did you get it? I'm like, I made that. So you can totally do it. You have a style like this, it really elevates you in so many ways. I don't want to sound shallow, but in our reality, still people are very visual. That's what I'm trying to say right now. If you dress nice, but let me make it very clear though, I didn't say you need to buy expensive stuff to look nice. All I'm saying is dress nice, have your own style. People actually respect you even more, or they pay attention on you a little bit more than people completely no style. I know some people say, well, that's not right, we should be equal. Yeah, but that day still far away. I'm gonna be telling you that. Majority of the people still gonna just look at you making that decision. Forget about what people say. Even you, I'm pretty sure you do the same thing. How often you go to the store, you look at this person, you're immediately making the judgment based on the way they look. Don't tell me you never done that before. We're human. That's all we do. You know, nothing wrong with that. It just so the way to make people remember you, have a little style, and that make a big difference. Okay, so after about 60 minutes, I finally finished my ear. I want to show you, and I think I will do better every time. This is not too bad for the second try. Take a look of this ear. What do you think? Do you think I'm gonna get some attention when I go to Disney with this ears? I definitely think I will. And this thing is so heavy, it's gonna fall. I think I think what I really need to do is I need to put some rhinestone behind so it will balance out a little bit. Because right now it's all the weights in the front. But I think if I take this for photo, this is nice. Oh my god, I love it. Alright, so I really hope that you enjoyed today's video. DIY Mickey ear. Ear by itself I think is $29, and I spent $20 by all the rhinestones, it's $49. So this is about $50 a year. Not including my time, but I think it's pretty good. Let me know what you think about this, and I will do more DIY in the future. I'm really into the rhinestone stuff right now. I may just buy more and kind of just, maybe do a rhinestone coffee cups. Can you imagine that? That would be so pretty. That would take a lot. But yeah, so leave a comment below. Let me know what type of style you want to see or what type of DIY you want to see. So every Saturday, yeah, every Saturday I can produce a video for you. Thank you so much for watching my video. Happy New Year, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!